This is totally the Melissa Wants It to Snow in Virginia Beach look. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my final advent calendar unboxing, and it is the Essence Ho Ho Home for Christmas advent calendar. This thing is super huge and I have been waiting for this to come in. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So, like I said, this is the final advent calendar unboxing that I have for you guys, and it is from Essence. I have been waiting since, I want to say it was the day before Thanksgiving, for this to come in. I know. Insane. The post office has just been insane lately with packages and whatnot. I mean, normally it is for the holidays, but it's been like amplified like 10 times more because of COVID and everything, because everybody's shopping online now. So yeah, I waited a hot minute for this thing. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, this thing is humongous and I'm hoping that it is recyclable. But let's go ahead and read what it says on the back. It says, strolling through a wintry, festively lit city on a beautiful December day, surrounded by the sweet smell of Christmas cookies in the air, the first snowflakes are trickling down from the sky, and romantic carousel rides invite you to dream. Immerse yourself in the wonderful, magical world of Christmas and enchant your home with the new Essence Advent Calendar. Whew, that was a big run-on sentence. It contains many exciting limited products, but also favorites from the Essence range in original sizes. We got full-size products with an extra massy design. Okay. The 24 sweet gifts will put you in the Christmas mood a little bit more every day. And then it says, psst, 2 products are hidden in the calendar's outer double doors. Interesting. So it does have a piece of plastic around it. It doesn't come in like this. It does come in a box, which was perfect because I got Christmas presents I got to wrap and I could use that box. So yeah, I do have to say that the display is really cute. I mean, the doors do open up and it shows like this Christmas village, that's what I want to say, but it's also very bulky. I understand that we're getting 24 full-size products, but this is really bulky, and I'm not all for bulky packaging when it comes to, you know, advent calendars. This is bigger than the NYX one, actually. We have 24 doors to open, and it says that there's 2 products behind the door. Oh, there's 13 and 23. Okay, so let's go ahead. They're all in different orders, so let's go ahead and find number 1, which is right here. I'm gonna hit myself with these doors, I know it. Oh, this is cute. It actually has a little saying on the door. It says, if I can show you guys, it's matte o'clock. That is so cute. And what was inside is a mini matte fixing powder. This mini matte fixing powder sets makeup for a perfectly matte and natural finish during the Christmas season. The transparent shade fits all skin tones. If I'm not mistaken, I do believe this is, I'm dropping it. The bigger version of this is the matte setting powder, and I'm not a big fan of it. But that Christmas packaging is cute. Look at how cute that is. And it's got, what's imprinted on it? Let It Snow on the inside of it. It's imprinted in the powder. That is super awesome. All right, number 2 is right here. Behind this door, it says collect moments and lipsticks. All right, we have a mini lipstick. I thought these were going to be full-size products, but this is a mini lipstick. Melissa, hold it right. All right, let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, there's 2 in here. Oh, they're lipstick crayons. Okay, this is cool. We have one in Spread the Love. Come on, focus. And then the second one is Feel the Magic. If I was into lip crayons, I would totally keep these, but I'm not. All right, it took me a minute to find number 3, but it's right here, dead smack in the middle. All right, on the back of this one, ooh, sorry, I didn't mean to move my phone. On the back of this one, it says, shape it till you make it. And we have a set of mini tweezers. Oh my God, they have little penguins on them. How cute is that? That is super, super cute. I am like all for that. I'm going to keep these because these are so cute. Here is number 4 right here. This one is, today is a good day to write your own fairy nail. Not fairy tale, fairy nail. And inside is a set of self-adhesive nail stickers with lovely Christmas designs for an individual and magical manicure. Oh, that's cute. That's actually cute. I might use these for Christmas Day. This one says, find your little heart baker. Okay, we got little we got some little gingerbread women here. Oh, these are gift tags. That's cool. You always use gift tags at this time of year. Those are so cool. And my box didn't come in damaged. I did that getting it out of the box it came in because I'm smart. But number 6 is up here. Behind this door, it says, be my candy cane crush. And it is a candy cane eyeshadow brush. Oh, that is super cute. I like that. Let's find number 7, which is right here in the Christmas tree. Behind this door, it says, I came, I saw, I lined. And it's a eyeliner pencil in black, a kajal pencil. Is that how you say it? But look how cute the design is on this pencil. I am definitely going to put this in the giveaway because I have plenty of black eyeliners. Number 8 is down here in the corner. On the back of the door, it says, never stop creaming. That's a little, yeah. But inside is a nourishing hand cream. It's got a little swan on it. It doesn't say if it has like a scent or anything. Oh, white tea and ginkgo. Nice. And of course, we all need some hand cream this time of year because it's getting cold and getting all that dry skin. But I'm going to put this in the giveaway. Number 9 is right here. All right, on the back of this door, it says, I have enough nail polish, said no one ever. Ooh, this is pretty. And it's a mini metallic nail polish in the shade, I don't know. It doesn't have a shade name. This one's not vegan because it does contain carmine in it. It does say it on the back, but that is a really pretty color. And there's a little swan on the bottle. 10 is right here in this little house. On this door, it says, dream as big as your lashes are. And it is a full size of the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. That's really nice. I'm going to put this in the giveaway because I'm not a big fan of this mascara. I do believe that it did bother my eyes when I wore it. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway. But number 11 is right here. And this door says, twinkle, twinkle, little star, make a wish wherever you are. And inside is, if I can get it out, oh, that's cute. It's a little charm bracelet with the star. It's super cute. I think I'm going to give this to one of my nieces because this definitely is not going to fit my big old wrist. 12 is right here. This door says, let's introduce the most kissable gingerbread man. And it is the color changing lip balm with vitamin E. It says, color changing lip balm with vitamin E and sweet almond that magically tints lips to a fresh pink. And it has a gingerbread man on the cap. All right, now we get to open one of these doors back here because here is number 13. No saying on the back of this one, but it is a set of Essence face jewels. I keep saying Essence. We already know it's from Essence, Melissa. Those are super pretty. All right, number 14 is this little bad boy right here. On this door, it says, when life gives you a Monday, dip it in glitter. And inside is a, if I can get it out the package, it is a pencil sharpener. It's a glittery pencil sharpener. Number 15 is right here. And this one says, gloss on, worries gone. And this is a mini high gloss top coat. I don't know if you guys can see the little decorations on the bottle. That's so cute. Gotta love a good top coat for your lashes, for your nails. 16 is all the way down here. This says Happy Browladays. And inside, oh, I can't get it out. I gotta get it, something to poke this out. And inside this one is the Eyebrow Styler. It's got cute little penguins on it. I know my niece Madison loves this formula of brow powder. So I think I'm going to give it to her. Plus it also comes with eyebrow stencils as well. I do believe she's got the lighter one because I know I gave her one. But she really does love this. Number 17 is right above 16. Behind this door, it says, can you feel the magic in the hair, darling? And inside are 2 hair ties. You can never have too many hair ties. And these are really, really good. I like these ones because they don't pull on my hair that often, like some other hair ties will. And they're super cute. Here is number 18. This one says, gloss like a boss. And inside is a glitter lip topper. I will definitely not keep this because that glitter is way too chunky. Number 19 is right here. This one says, wake up, makeup, be happy, remove, repeat. And inside is a makeup remover towel. Aw, that's so cute. 20. It says, when in doubt, choose red. And it is a bright red nail polish. And it has a little reindeer on it. So pretty. It's a shiny mini nail polish. Number 21 is down here. It says, take a sweet escape to your dreams, beauty. Oh, it's a little notebook and it says one wish a day. 22 is, oh, if I can show y'all, right here. Nice angle, Melissa. All right, behind this door, it says, there she glows, looking like a star. And inside is a mini highlighter stick. No shade name, though. That's a bummer. All right, number 23 is in the other door. And we have some holiday body jewelry tattoos. Those are super cute. I'll probably give these to my nieces because they like putting fake tattoos on themselves. Last but not least, we have number 24, which is all the way up here in the corner. This one says, "Hey beauty, we wish you a wonderful Christmas from the bottom of our hearts." And inside is it's a makeup brush, mini highlighter brush, and it has stars in it. That is so cute. I love this. It's so cute. All right, I'm going to clean all this up and I will be right back with my final thoughts and pricing information. Alrighty, now for all of the 24 products, I am going to be putting in the giveaway the 3 nail polishes that came in, the I Love Extreme Mascara, the Color Changing Lip Balm, the Glitter Lip Topper, the hand cream, the black eyeliner, the 2 mini lipstick crayons, and the mini matte fixing powder. Those are going to go into the giveaway. And like I said, that I have a couple giveaways I'm going to be doing next month. I don't know if I'm going to do like 5 days of giveaways or whatnot, because I have a lot of stuff that I can give away. It's insane. I'm going to give my nieces the charm bracelet, the eyebrow styler, the little notebook, and the temporary tattoos, and I'm going to keep the rest. Overall, I have to say, this is by far my favorite one. I don't like how bulky the packaging was, and I'm a little upset because I thought we were going to get full-size products, but it looks like the only full-size product we got was the mascara. But overall, this is a really good advent calendar. And you can tell that Essence put a lot of thought into it because they personalized it for the holiday season. They just didn't slap items into an advent calendar and called it a day. But I really enjoyed this. This was my favorite one. You can still purchase this advent calendar. However, you can only get it on Essence's website. That's a tongue twister. It normally goes for $49.99, but it is currently on sale right now for $37.49. And you will get free shipping because any order off Essence $15 and over, you get free shipping, which is amazing. It might just take a little while for it to get to you, but I think it is well worth it. I wish they did have it at Ulta this year, but they didn't. They only had it on their website. And I'll put their link down in the description bar so you guys can pick this up, because I highly suggest that you get this. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face in this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products I used today for this makeup look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye! I cannot get over how cute these penguin tweezers are. So cute. How my eye makeup just matched the packaging. Now I have to go through all the giveaway stuff and get it all together.